Hey, how's it going everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. So starting off with the box, where on the left hand side we've got 1.56 inch AMOLED display. It's got a blood oxygen sensor. This basically says that you can change between multiple different themes. This one's your stress measuring and breathing exercises, and this one is basically saying that it can track your menstrual cycle. On the other side, it says that it's got 30 different types of sport modes, so running, cycling. Can't think of any other types of sports, but apparently there's at least 30 of them because this tracks them and recognizes them. It's apparently water resistant up to 50 meters, and it can recognize your different types of swimming methods, strokes. Not sure what the right word is there. So you got your breaststroke, your doggy paddle. I don't know. Next up, it tracks your sleep, which is pretty standard on smartwatches these days. So as you'd expect, it's compatible with Alipay. So you can pay for things with your wrist, which always seemed a bit awkward to me, but there you go, it can do it. And finally, it has magnetic charge. So there's the box. Let's open it up. I'll open it from the bottom because it seems easier. That looks like that was the right choice because it's got a little pull tab. And it's got a pull tab on both sides. So let's see what we have in the box. We've got... Oh, it's not just a strap, it's the watch itself, which is already powered on as soon as we've opened the box. Taking it out, we've got a rubbery strap, which sides up. Just going to use it in my hand at the moment. It seems easier than trying to put it on my wrist. Now it's in Chinese at the moment, so I'm not going to be able to do much more than that. But clicking it doesn't seem to do anything. Not sure if there's any other ways to interact with it. I don't think there is. So I'm not sure what that's saying. I'm going to pass it over to my interpreter. Also in the box is a charging cable. Looks like USB. Obviously it's magnetic, so it's not USB-C or B. It's just magnetic. So that attaches like so, and it's pretty good, firm, strong magnet. Oops. Should keep it charging stably overnight. You don't want to wake up in the morning and find it's run out of battery. Not very good if you want to track your sleep though, if you need to charge it overnight. Not sure how long the battery lasts. Some kind of manual with plenty of pictures, so hopefully the language won't be too much of a barrier. So let's see what it says. You gotta scan this QR code. Right, well, I'm not going to set it up today because this is just an unboxing video. But yeah, there's not much to see. It's just a watch and a charger. No wall wart, as you could probably have guessed from the size of the box. You're not going to fit a plug in there, so you'll have to source USB power yourself. But there you have it. the Mi Smart Band 6, all the way from China. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.